Did you know that over 30 million people in the US alone have tried the keto diet? That's right. The keto craze has exploded in popularity in recent years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. So, if you've been curious about this low-carb, high-fat lifestyle, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the keto diet, which is all about high fats and low carbs. If you're just starting out in 2024, the keto diet can offer some amazing benefits, like weight loss, increased energy, and even improved mental clarity. Sound intriguing? Let's break it all down. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's talk about some common misconceptions and challenges that newbies often face when starting the keto diet. First off, many people worry that they have to give up their favorite foods, like bread, pasta, and desserts. The fear of missing out can be real. But here's the thing, once you understand the keto diet, you'll see that there are plenty of delicious alternatives out there. Another challenge is the initial adaptation phase, sometimes called the keto flu. This is a period where your body is transitioning from burning carbs for energy to burning fats. You might experience fatigue, headaches, or cravings for those sugary snacks. It's totally normal and usually passes within a week or so, but it can be tough, especially if you're not prepared. Lastly, there's a bit of confusion around the whole tracking macros thing. What are macros? Well, it stands for macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbs. Beginners often feel overwhelmed by the idea of counting these things, but it's simpler than it sounds, and I'll explain how you can make it work for you in just a bit. Exploration/development. Let's explore the key components of the keto diet. First up is meal planning. This is crucial for success. You want to have a plan to keep you on track and avoid those tempting takeout options. Start by incorporating foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, fatty fish, and plenty of greens into your meals. Next, let's talk about food choices. You'll want to focus on high-quality fats, like olive oil, coconut oil, and butter, while significantly reducing your intake of sugar and starchy foods. There are tons of keto-friendly recipes out there that can make your meals both enjoyable and satisfying. And, of course, tracking your macros is super helpful. You don't have to get all obsessive about it. Just getting a general idea of your daily intake can help you stay in that fat-burning zone. There are plenty of apps out there to help you keep track without it feeling like a chore. Climax/key moment now. I want to share an inspiring success story that really highlights the benefits of the keto diet. Meet Sarah. She was struggling with her weight for years and tried just about every fad diet out there. Finally, she decided to give keto a shot. Within just a few months, she lost over 30 pounds. Not only did she shed the extra weight, but she also reported having more energy than ever. Sarah shared that the keto diet helped her break free from her sugar cravings and she actually started enjoying cooking at home again. The best part? She felt empowered to make healthier choices without feeling deprived. Isn't that incredible? Stories like hers are why so many people are jumping on the keto bandwagon. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, the keto diet is all about high fats and low carbs, but it's also about making smart food choices and being prepared for some challenges. With meal planning and tracking your macros, you can absolutely make this work in your lifestyle. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you have any questions about the keto diet? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on meal prep or delicious keto recipes, make sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy ketoing!